Hello and welcome to the Allfax video training series. Today's video, we're going to look at a couple of maintenance items and troubleshooting items that may help you with your Sharp copier. First, let's take a look at a troubleshooting item that may occur. You may be instructed by our service department or IT staff to reboot your machine. There are two on-off switches on your Sharp copier. The first, an easily identified one, is in the upper right corner of the panel. This will shut the engine off, but not shut off the entire machine. To do a full reboot, you'll open your front door, and in the lower left corner is the main power switch. This is the full reboot of your machine, and this is what they will be instructing you to do, not the one at the top. Next, let's take a look at a maintenance item on your machine. From time to time, you may experience black lines on your copies or scans. Many times, customers will clean their glass on the machine and still experience it. When you're experiencing black lines, the main thing you want to clean and not spray directly on the machine. In this case, you're going to take a little alcohol. If you have alcohol wipes, wipe the slit glass to the left of the main glass. If there's something on there, it will make a streak across your copies. If you continue after you've cleaned it and you're thinking maybe something else is wrong, put a single original on the glass and make two copies. If the streaks are not there, then your problem is on this glass. It potentially could be underneath and might require a service call. Another maintenance item on your Sharp copier will be the replacement of the toner cartridge. Your machine will give you two messages, one stating that the cartridge is low, prepare one, and then you'll have one that says the cartridge is out. At that point, the machine will stop producing copies and prints. So let's take a look. Open your front door, pull the old cartridge out. You'll have one in a box. We always suggest shaking it a couple of times. It can only go in one way. Put your new cartridge in, close your front door. If you notice, we didn't power the machine down to replace. Another toner-related maintenance item and a message that will appear on your machine is replace waste toner container. To replace the waste toner container, on the right end of the machine, open the door, remove the old container. Before disposing of the container, put the top on so no toner is spilled. Install your new one in the machine. Another troubleshooting item we want to take a look at is misfeeds or paper jams in your machine. The machine will indicate on the touchscreen the location of the misfeed or paper jam. Let's take a look at the actual paper path of the machine and where those jams may occur. On the right end of the machine, you have paper path here coming out of the trays. You also have a gray button here, and this entire transport section opens up. Also, on this end of the machine, if your bypass is up, you wouldn't see this, but if the bypass is down, there's a section here that opens up. The only time the machine uses this section would be on a two-sided print or copy. Additionally, on the front side of the machine, if you open the front door, there's no paper path in that section of the machine. In the center section of the machine, above the open front door, this upper section goes down. You have a green button here. This is part of the transport section from the right side of the machine through. Here we have our finisher or staple unit. Front door opens with a green lever to lift this door and have a paper path here. That completes the entire paper path of the machine. Another area of the machine that it may experience a jam or a misfeed will be the document feeder. This would be with your originals. On the top, you have a lever here to open the top of the document feeder. You also have a section here. You have a green roller. If it's stuck, you can roll it this way. You additionally can press that. This will open the other part of the transport section of the document feeder. And those are all the places in the document feeder where a misfeed would occur. And finally, we've looked at clearing a misfeed or a paper jam. Now let's take a quick look at how to prevent one. Loading the paper in your machine is probably one of the most important things that you can do. So let's take a look. We're going to open our ream of paper and we're going to break it into sections. It's hard to drop the entire stack of paper into your machine and have it sit straight without any sheets sticking out of it. So we're going to take the second section, fan it, and we're going to drop it in our machine. What can happen if you try to drop the whole stack, some sheets will come out from underneath, and that's a misfeed waiting to happen. Here's an example of paper that is not loaded correctly. If you notice, the paper at the bottom of the tray is sticking out. So at this point, when the tray goes to lift in the machine, it will hesitate and create a jam.
That completes our video, and thanks for watching. If you need additional information or support, please visit our website at www.allfax.com. You can also contact us at our main number at 504-443-0188. On behalf of the entire Allfax team, we appreciate and value your business. Thanks, and have a great day.